viewers, my listeners, to all my subscribers out there, and to the newcomers. If you are just joining us, you are welcome to Mikey's FX Academy. If this is your first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button on your device so that you'll be the first, to get notified whenever a video like this is dropped. Now, before we go into the video, let's just look at the settings. This is the moving average. This is the settings on the main chart. I have it in this form. You can screenshot it. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's screenshot. Let's make it short. Now screenshot, and you can add this to your settings later once this video is done. This is it, and this is it on the Bollinger Band. You have it in this form. Now please, whenever a video like this is dropped, I want you to watch it till the end, because there are so many information you need to grab from this video. There are so many things you need to learn. There are so many things you need to know. So please kindly watch till the end, so that you don't miss out. You don't come asking questions, and I need the settings, I need this, I need that, or how do I go about it? It is not working for me. So please watch till the end. Now this is my CCI, and this is the levels. This is the settings, the parameters, and this is the level. I have the oversold, the overbought. The oversold is at the minus 100, and my overbought is at the over plus 100. Then you take a sniper entry at the plus 200 when it gets to the overbought, and the sniper entry at the minus 100 when it's at the oversold. You pick a style, a color of your choice, and you save. You click done. Now I have the RSI, relative strength index, on my chart indicator window 1 in this form. The period is this 1000. This is the period of screenshot, and the level, this is the level. I have the level 85 and level 10 with a green color, so that I don't mix it up with the CCI, the chart on the CCI. Now whenever price gets to the 85 level, as you can see on the RSI, note it is at that plus 200 level on the CCI. Listen so that you don't get it twisted. Whenever price gets to the 85 level on the RSI, please kindly note that it is the same as the plus 200 level on the CCI. This is a sniper entry. This is where you take the sniper entry for a sell. This is where you take the entry for a sell. Then whenever price gets to the level 10 on the RSI, that should be the minus 200 on the CCI. That is where you take a sniper entry of a buy. Now to the video proper. What I want to say, you guys, is I just want to give a little advice. If you know forex is working for you, please stick to this video. But if you know for the time being you've been trading and it's not working, get a good mentor. If you can't do that, you get a good account manager that can help you to manage your accounts. Somebody that can help you manage your accounts to give you maximum profit for the day. If you can do that, I bet you will enjoy this business. This business can actually take care of you. So many has quit their job. I've seen so many quit their job to make this their number one job for the day. I happen to be in a boutique precisely a week today, and I saw a woman. And a young lady, just celebrating themselves. So I was like interested in their conversation. Though they came into the boutique because the boutique owner has a POS terminal. So the lady, they came to do withdrawals. She was just, the woman was just celebrating the lady, like, this is your first time for a very long time. You've been in this business. Wow, I'm so happy for you. So the excitement caught my attention. So I just like, madam, what thing they happen now? What is so exciting today? Said she has been into forex business for the past 3 years, though she has been making it, but not the way she made profit today, over 5,000 US dollars. She realized today from the market, and that is her excitement. I was like, wow. I had to exchange contact with her, and you know, just to get one or two things from her so that we can work in line with the business. And I want to share this video. So if you have a good mentor, fine. If you have a good account manager, fine, you're good to go. If you don't have this, please look for one. Though it is very rare to see mentors, you know, on a day-to-day basis, but most times we can find them online. Get a good mentor that can guide you. Get a good tutor, a good teacher, somebody that can teach you the ways about this business, because this is a business owned by a certain institution. All they do is to manipulate the trends to their favor so that you keep blowing your accounts. You blow your accounts and you go funding. They want your money, so you have to devise a means to make money from them. Then hence I'm bringing this video to us. And for those of us who doesn't have the PC indicator of these indicators I'm displaying now, the PC version is more active, is more productive. If you don't have the PC version, please indicate your interest. My number will be on the comment section below. My contact details will be there. You can call in, you can write in, and I'll be there to give to you, but they are not free. Okay, you have to pay token to get these indicators. But if you have a mobile, you don't have a PC, you can flow with this, manage this, but you must work in line, because on the PC version, when it is about to sell or spike or whatever, the indicators will give you a notification, unlike that of the mobile. So you can manage the mobile. For those of us with a mobile device, you can manage this, but the result will not be as productive as that of the PC. Okay, let's go to the main chart. Now, before we go into the trade, we have to do a top-down analysis. We have to check from the higher time frame and see what the trend is doing up there. We can go to the 4 hours time frame, check and see, our overbought and over, sold region, so that we can actually ride the trend with ease. Now, this is how the chart is. Before we can proceed, you have to check the higher time frame, and the best time frame to trade this market is using the 1 hour time frame. At the 1 hour time frame, we are going to see a clear picture of how the trend is doing. This can help us to get maximum results going down to the 1 minute time frame, and this is how the trend has been. I want to tell you something about this chart. Now, this is my 200 moving average. Just look at it. When the price gets to this level, see, the price gets to this level on the 200 MA. Look at it. It's sold this moving average. This is my 21 moving average, which is also the Bollinger Band, the middle of the Bollinger Band. Okay, this is it. When the price gets to this level, it gave us this movement, this candle, and look at the rejection. This moving average is acting as a support. It's acting as a support to the trend. And look at the movement. The spike continues. Now look at the moving average below. Look at the moving average 1 2 3 4. This is the level 10, and the oversold at the oversold region. And whenever price get to this level, you see the massive spike. That is what we are having in this region. You see the spike continues, and it's going to go all the way until the moving average gets to the overbought region. This is the oversold moving to the overbought, and this is what we are experiencing. It's going to go all the way. It's going to go all the way. 1 hour time frame is actually the best time frame to do with this, to trade this market and get positive results. Now look at the price. Whenever price gets to this level, see, this is the overbought region, and this is what we have here in this region. Look at it. Price break through this is the Bollinger Band. The price, whenever price gets over the Bollinger Band, this will act as a resistance level, and at the resistance level, the price is going to be rejected and it's going to be pushed downward, and this is it. that is the resistance level, and you see price coming back into the trend. We have this selling candle. Imagine selling this candle to this point, you know how much profit you make. But the best is to buy, whenever you are in the buying direction. That is where you make more profit, because at this level, if you are new, if you understand what this trend is doing, at this level we are going to see massive spike. If you are having a small equity, you can end up blowing your account. But at this level you can, get into it with a 0.2 lot size and make, and still make profit out of it, because this is a buying trend. It's going to buy to your favor whenever the markets get to this region. You must not trade all the time. You just observe the trend, with your settings on your moving averages on your main chart, and all in place. You just, wait for the market to get to this region, and you enter your sniper entry. You make your money for the day. You are good to go. Whenever the price gets here, don't be scared. It's going to buy all the way to your favor. It's going to buy. So whenever you see, use the 1 hour time frame to, picture how the market is going to go, the current condition. You can switch to your lower time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame, and then enter the price and enter the market. It is the same thing. You're going to make massive profits. You understand? Look at it at the 1 minute time frame. Whenever price gets to the overbought region, it's going to sell. It's going to sell all the way to a level. Okay, you can take 10 candle for those scalping. This can help you whenever price get above this region. Above, look at it. It is whenever price, just as it's stating now, whenever price get above, you can take 10 candles and you are out of the market. For those scalping, and look at this region, look at this. See what happened here when price got to the, overbought region. Look at how it sold. You can get 10 candle. Don't be too greedy. We don't want to blow up our account. But if you want to be very safe, to be on the safer side, wait for price to get to the oversold region. You catch your spike. This treasury will help you to catch spike massively. You help you to catch spike massively, and then be successful in trading boom and crash. This indicator works in all the markets, on all the forex market, all the commodities, the volatilities, the um, basket indices, even the currency pairs. Here it is on the volatility. This is fixed 10. This is how the market is on the volatility. See, when the market gets to the over, but region, see how it sold down. How it sold down, and this is massive. Imagine selling these candles on the VIX 10. You can go to the 1 hour time frame to get a clearer picture of the trend movement. This is it. The trend is entering a sell on VIX 10. When it gets to the oversold level, see how it bought on the 1 hour time frame. You can actually use this indicator, use it perfectly well. But if you are still getting it wrong, you can, seek a mentorship program, seek a mentor, get an account manager, someone that can help you to get it right, to manage your accounts for you, to get it right, so that they will not end up giving your account to these people, because it is not easy you know to blow up your account, come back every day to fund. You blow up and fund your account. It's not easy at all. So for you to get it right, you need a mentor, you need an account manager, to do this perfectly well for you. Okay, now this is what I want you to understand about these indicators. They work very well. They work very well. Indicators work perfectly well. The Bollinger Band, whenever there's a movement in this form, whenever price goes above, the Bollinger Band, like piercing through the band, and the price is rejected, is a sign of trend reversal, and this is exactly what we got here. That is the movement. If you look through the trend, you can back test and look through the trend. This is another good example. Look at it. Price pierces through the bands and it got rejected, and this is the movement we have here. It is all over the place. It is all over the place. Okay, and if you look at the my 8 and the 21 moving average, whenever price is going up, they act as a support to the trend. The 8 moving average and the 21 moving average, this is the crossing. Whenever I see a crossing between the 8 cutting through the 21 from below, you're going to see a massive buy. Is another indication of a buying trend, a confirmation. You understand? And look at my trend below the indicator window 1. You see the crossing, you see the movement. Look at it. See how the price moved all the way. So this indicator works perfectly well. I want you to master what you've seen. You master it perfectly well. Place the setting on your chart. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Take your sniper view from the 1 hour time frame. Then you switch to the 1 minute time frame to do the killer blow, so that you'll be able to get the massive results, get that massive result you so desire. That is it, guys. If you have any question, if you want any form of mentoring, if you want any form of guidance, whatever thing you don't understand, my number will be at the comment section below. You can write me, you can email me, you can call me, so that we can have a chit chat, we can have a discussion, and I'll be able to guide you. Like I said, if you are this busy type, you are working, you have other events taking your time, and you can't do this right, you can get a mentor. You can get an account manager to do that for you. And if you feel you can do it well, but you have the PC, you don't have the indicators, you can indicate your interest. Just inbox me. You can chat me on WhatsApp, you can call me, that I can give you the PC version, though it is not for free. These indicators are they are not free indicators. I sell these indicators, but at a very accommodating price to all my subscribers. I will give you at a very good rate. You understand? So you can actually do well in the forex market. This is a business owned by an institution, and they are there to make money out of you. So you also have to devise a way to make money as well for yourself, because the forex market can actually take good care of you and your family. If you look at my chart, look at what this moving average did here. This is my 200 moving average. I just want you to see the picture why this 200 is on the chart. Look at it. It's acting as a support. It's acting as a support. Now the 200 moving average is acting as a support. Look at the multiple rejections before the breakthrough. It's acting as a support to the trend. Okay, so that is how this indicator works. Look at it. It's acting as a support. For those of us who know what support and resistance mean, you understand this very well. See the multiple rejection. We have rejection in this form. We have one rejection here. We have the second rejection. We have another rejection before the final breakthrough. We have the fourth rejection before the final breakthrough, and boom, that is how the trend has been moving. So guys, this settings, this indicator, this it is very useful. It is very useful. I want you to stick to this strategy, and you're going to make good money out of it. If you are new, please subscribe to this channel. Please don't hesitate to subscribe. Give us a thumb up. Just like the video. It will help us to grow. You can subscribe. Your subscription will make us to grow. It is the only payment we get from you. Just subscribe. It won't cost you any harm. Just hit the subscribe button. Give a thumb up, and you can drop a decent comment on this comment section. I'll be there to give you a reply. And if you want these indicators, you can also write me down there. If you also want mentorship, I'll be there. I have an online classes I have an online classes. If you want to register in my online class, I'll be there to do live chat with you. Give you the latest updates, the current, going on the trend in the charts. You learn a lot. You learn a lot. So, if you also want any other thing, like any other information you need to know about the forex generally, you can also write in, you can also call in. I'll be there to give you speedy response. Please follow up with the settings or the indicators as stated. Don't skip any. And I will be looking forward to your comments as regards this video. As regards this video, I'll be looking forward to your comments. Okay. Excuse me. So I'm gonna drop this video now. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Okay, please make good use of this video. This is very profitable. You'll make massive profit from this video. Thank you very much for viewing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to hear from you guys on the comment section. Okay, see you and see you once again. Bye bye for now from Mikey's FX Academy, signing out.